BeastieBoyDrumma. You know it's BeastieBoyDrumma. I said it's BeastieBoyDrumma. Cause it's no one hotter than BeastieBoyDrumma.
Right. About that time, first car wash, man. Haven't done it yet. Installed my new CD player. Like I finished doing that. As you can see, it's been a bad washing. I think that's what we're about to go do now. Me and my partner in crime. About to go do that, clean out the inside of it real good. See if we can get this thing shining, man. Alright, we in here getting a car wash now. I'm not about to get out here. It's still kind of cold here where I'm at, so I'm not getting out and washing the car. We went to the automatic car wash. Okay, y'all, I had a call in between the car wash. Getting scrubbed up and down now, left and right. And my road dog back here. My road dog back here with me doing it. Check that out. Now you won't see me go to this much often. Like, I'm just going to do this and that because I want the car washed and I don't want to be out there in the cold water scrubbing it. Let's go do this for now, then we're going to get out and do a little bit of stuff to it. Got some stuff I bought, man. Me a bag right there. We're going to tune up a little bit. The screen's looking good here. I just got the radio playing right now. Just because I'm recording on my phone and I usually have my phone playing. Yeah. Let's see what it looks like when we get done. With this, buddy? Oh, yeah. Yep. Yeah. Alright, y'all, this is what we looking like. Just got it washed up, man. Shined up the tires a little bit. Probably put another coat on them, making it a little bit more shinier. It's not bad, not bad though. I had to take my my tag off. The car wash almost ate it, man. Looking good though. We looking alright. We shining though out here. It's still at the car wash right now, man. Had to vacuum this thing out. Also wiped the inside down, as y'all seen. Got the shine in here now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I see, looking sexy now. Ain't got the bird poop all on it no more. Not bad though, not bad though. I mean, it turned out pretty good. Better than I thought it would. I never seen that crack right there. I might have to give me another bumper or something down there, man. I don't even know. We'll have to see what to do. It's cold out here though. It's time for me to go back to the house. Oh yeah. Oh, we looking good though. Looking good. Alright, y'all, this has been it right here. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. Go home.